Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant voice chat not working or your mic not working. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to game. On the top right you should see a little cog icon here. Go to settings, go to audio, and make sure that your input device and output device on default, or maybe sometimes for some people fixes the problem. If their input device on default, make sure to select the microphone that you're using and see if the problem persists or not. And also make sure that mic volume is on to 60 to from 60 to 90 or to 100. And also make sure that party voice chat is on and party voice during custom game is on, right? And if these settings are correct, then you can go to your desktop here, and then you need to go to sound settings, and here make sure that output and input device is the right for you here. And then you just need to go to control panel here, go to recording, and select your microphone here that you're using. Probably it will be on default. And then go to properties, and here make sure that is as you can see here, levels is basically you have the right levels here, and it's not on mute. And also on advanced, make sure that allow applications to take exclusive control here is and give exclusive mode applications priority is on as well. And another thing that you can do, then you need to go to privacy settings, and on here on microphone you need to look for, as you can see here, microphone, and you need to make sure that allow apps to access your microphone, this option is on. And if we scroll down, allow desktop apps to access your microphone is on as well. And after you do that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to device manager, and then you need to go to your audio inputs and outputs. What you need to do here next is to locate your microphone, right click on it and update drivers, and search automatically here. And if there is drivers, you need to install it. And if there is no drivers and if the problem persists, what you can do here, you can uninstall the press install device, restart your computer, and the microphone should appear. And after you basically done all these steps, your microphone should work on Valorant, right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.